Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Exercise number 22 for Punjab and Haryana High Court at the rate 100 word per minute 400 words. So be ready, start. The applicant lived with the respondents in USA for 10 months after her marriage on 11/6/1982. On 15/3/1983, a male child was born to them in USA and was named Abhijit. Due to certain compelling circumstances, the mother, applicant, and the child left the respondent on 24/1983. The child was 35 days old. Thereafter, the respondent husband had no occasion to live with his wife and the child so far. They have been involved in unfortunate litigations, both civil and criminal, both in USA and India for the last 14 years. The respondent is continuing to live in USA while the applicant and her son have been living in India. The boy, while the applicant and her son have been living in India. The boy is now studying in the 8th standard in a school at Pune. The respondent husband filed a divorce case in USA against the applicant and also sought custody of the child. Initially, on 15/3/1983, the US courts had given custody of the child to the mother applicant. A divorce decree was passed ex parte on 23/9/83. On 22/80/1983, the child reached India with the applicant's mother. The respondent then obtained an order on 11/4/1984 ex parte containing directions as to visitation rights in his favor. Late on 30/4/1984, the court passed an order ex parte modifying the earlier order unto one of temporary custody in favor of the husband respondent and shifting the temporary care, control or possession of the child from the applicant to the respondent until a final bearing as to be held on all issues. On 28/4/1986, the US court passed an ex parte order granting permanent custody to the respondent husband. In the meanwhile, the applicant proceeded from USA to Australia and then reached India, had joined her son. She then filed MJ petition number 985 of 1985 in civil court, Bombay, for a declaration that her marriage was respondent on 11/6/1982 was null and void in as much as the respondent's marriage with Bhagyavanti was subsisting on that date. She claimed maintenance for her and the child and for a declaration that the divorce decree passed by the US court on 23/9/1983 was not binding on her and for injunction against respondent from removing the child from her. That the divorce decree obtained on 25/10/1987 by the respondent against Bhagyavati did not bind Bhagyavati has now been declared in the fresh divorce decree passed by the Indian court 11/6/1984 as stated above. Full stop.